Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this simple straight hair combo hack in DTI. So if you're looking for the perfect straight hair look in DTI, whether you're aiming for sleek sophistications or a casual chic vibe, I've got the perfect hair combo for you. So what you need to do is just, of course, head to the hair salon, and in here go to the feminine category and use this as the first hair, this one, to go with black color. No, I'm going to go with brown, I think. Okay, this one. And then you just need to add the second hair, which is this one right here, with the same color, of course. And next one, use this hair color, like hairstyle, and toggle it into bangs only. Choose the same color. And last one, use this one and toggle it into no bangs. And this is the final look for the simple straight hair for you. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.